You have to know from where the data is coming first. That's primary. Unfortunately, what happens in a lot of cases is you have data which you believe is qualified data. You do not know whether it's dated. You do not know how recent it is. What happens in the West can easily be translated here in a couple of hours or days. So data-driven marketing is good as far as you know the primary source of the data that you have. As far as you know how qualified that data is or the person who's provided that input. But I think the best and richest way of doing it is like I said at the beginning, is to comb out the feedback that you get, qualify it, quantify it, put it back into something which is measurable, objective, quantitative, rather than just saying, hey, people don't like this, or hey, people love this. How many people have said what about that is what forms that data. So I think we're a little careful when we go with data-driven marketing. We're not one of the brands that just takes data that comes out of independent research or anything that just comes our way and say, hey, let's do this. So there's a little bit of method to the madness, so to say, before we go data-driven marketing. So I think at this point in time, we be a little careful about how we go about it. Unless we're very, very sure, we wouldn't want to pursue a certain data set because some people in the industry believe that that's the right way to go. Yeah.